I'm going to show you how to delete your Trello account. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open Trello. Type in Trello like this, and now you can see it right at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, wait for it to load, and now look at the lower bar where you can see options like boards, my cards, search, notifications, and account. Tap on account, and now you just need to scroll down till you find the option that says delete your account right over here. Let's go ahead and tap here. It says that you need to log into web to delete the account, so make sure you have all your informations. Now enter your password, and now you're in this page. So you just need to use your account preference, your time zone, and now tap on delete account right here. Now you will be shown all these informations about what would happen to your account if you delete it. And after you've decided and made up your mind, just tap on delete account, and guys, there you go. That's how you delete your Trello account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.